Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make cookies. So, here we get started. First, you'll need to buy a Play-Doh cookie trees biscuit set. You need this, and you need 3 packs of Play-Doh. I know that there's Play-Doh in here, but there's just 2, so I got 3 extras to make more. So, if you're telling me where you got it, I got it from Family Dollar. I got these from Family Dollar. And this from Family Dollar. So this costed like $2 and these costed like $6. So what's 6 plus 2, kids? 6 plus 2 equals 8. So if you're watching this, kids, you know what 6 plus 2 is. So now let's just open this up. See, there's 2 packs of Play-Doh. There's light green and kind of dark and kind of light blue. But when I open it, look, so darker than this color. So first we're not gonna use the big ones yet because first I used the little ones. So I'm gonna be using this color only. I only use this color because it's my little brother, so I'll just use this one. And I'll need this as a plate. And I'll need this and a circle. So let's get started. Open it up. Put your finger and squish it in to get out. So if there's some leftover Play-Doh, you put it in and then close it up and put it in here. If you have Play-Doh. So let's start to make cookies. First, you need to turn it like a ball and then squish it to make it more easy to flatten it up. So flatten it up with this little thing that comes in here. So this little thing comes in here and they come with these things. But I'm not going to use these today. I'm going to use them tomorrow. So today's summer vacation. I only record when it's summer vacation. So if you're trying to look for me, I only start the video on Saturday and Sunday. So let's just make these cookies. That's hard. This Play-Doh is too thick. If you don't know what thick means like this. Like thick means like fat. But this is skinny because look, there's a thick side and there's the skinny side. So if you know what thick means like kind of like this. Like if you squish the thing, it feels so thick. But if it feels like this, like it's so flat, see, it's not that thick. That's what thick means. So make it a little thick. And you see that I flatten it up. So what you need to do is squish this right here. And then what you need to do is like take it off. And you see the big circle? You take away this Play-Doh and make the cookie. So when you make your cookie, you need to make more, like you need to make a lot. So you need to use this, and if you don't have enough room with the cookie, then just put it like right on top of the potato can, so that it won't get messed up. So now you can make more cookies. So while I make more cookies, I'm gonna pause the video. So guys, all I made is 2 cookies that look like little eyeballs. So all I make is 2 cookies, and I'm gonna try them right now. So I'm gonna try them right now. So Tamia said that the cookie tastes so good, did it? Yes, it's so delicious. So she ate it. She took a big bite. So if you like this video, leave me a like below, and today I'm going to visit my cousin, so I am going to wrap it up and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.